with him, Kiwi. Chibs. Chibs.
You are too cute. Kiwi's like, I threatened you, I warned you.
He wants to play so bad. She's like, save me.
Even for a little one like you, there's no room. Just bite him.
Chibs. Chibs. Hey, buddy. Hey, Hanzo. Oh, my God. Oh, I'm going to lose him under here. Oh, here he comes.
He really wants Kiwi to play with him.
Well, they've been playing.
And Kiwi just doesn't want to play today?
Not right now.
Okay, you've really got to get up.
Not right now. Hey, Chibs. She's not going to play. Seriously.